how to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. So first of all, you have to understand that whenever you're trying to transfer a crypto from one wallet to another, what you need is the wallet address. Just like whenever you're trying to send money from one bank account to another, you will either need their QR code of the recipient or the bank account number. The same is the case here as well. You're trying to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. So let's say it is Bitcoin that you're trying to send. You need to get the deposit address from Trust Wallet for Bitcoin. So you cannot copy the wallet address of Ethereum and try to deposit Bitcoin in that Ethereum address, because you will need a Bitcoin deposit address. So from your Trust Wallet, what you have to do is we have to go to the deposit section, right? So we will go to the receive option that you can find here. Now let's say we are trying to receive Bitcoin from Moonswap, right? We will select Bitcoin, and this is actually our wallet address. So we can copy this wallet address, and now we can head over to the Moonpay app, go to the send option and paste this wallet address, or simply scan this QR code over there. And then once we have done that, we can enter the amount of Bitcoin that we want to send. So remember, if it is Bitcoin you're trying to send, you have to select Bitcoin address. If it is Ethereum you're trying to receive, you have to select Ethereum address and just paste that exact address. And this is how you can transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.